What happens when state leaders openly challenge federal immigration enforcement, and the federal government pushes back with subpoenas? In January 2026, the U.S. Department of Justice issued grand jury subpoenas to Minnesota Governor Tim Walz and Minneapolis Mayor Jacob Frey. The investigation centers on whether their actions or communications may have interfered with federal immigration operations. A rare and serious move involving sitting elected officials. Tensions had already been high. Minnesota saw major protests after a fatal encounter involving an ICE agent earlier this month. Local leaders publicly criticized federal enforcement tactics, while federal officials accused them of undermining the law. Governor Walz called the subpoenas politically motivated. Mayor Frey described them as an attempt to intimidate local governments. Federal authorities, however, say no one is above the law, and that the inquiry is focused on facts, not politics. Mayor Frey is expected to appear in federal court in early February. The outcome could redefine the limits of local resistance to federal authority and shape how immigration policy is enforced nationwide. This case isn't just about Minnesota. It's about power, protest, and the future of federal law enforcement in America.